Hi, I'm Andy from Appliances Online. This is the Fujitsu 7.1kW reverse cycle split system inverter air conditioner, the ASTG24KMCA. It's a great choice of air conditioner for any home in summer or winter, capable of effectively cooling or warming large rooms of 40 square metres or more, or even the entirety of smaller homes such as units. This air conditioner is comprised of an indoor and outdoor unit and must be installed by a qualified air conditioning expert. Whether you're heating or cooling, the air conditioner's swing louver helps to direct its airflow, evenly spreading warm or cool air throughout your room. One popular feature of this air conditioner is the sleep mode, designed to help you rest more comfortably by changing the temperature gradually. Plus, it helps prevent the air conditioner from overcooling your home while you're asleep. Another favourite air conditioner feature is the energy-saving human sensor, which speeds up the fan when someone enters a room and slows it back down again when they leave, so less electricity is used when the room is unoccupied. This air conditioner cleans and filters your home's air while it cools or heats, meaning that you'll need to clear its filters a couple of times a year to keep it running efficiently. To make sure you don't forget, the air conditioner has a reminder light which will switch on when the filters need your attention. And that is a Fujitsu 7.1kW reverse cycle air conditioner with 5-year warranty. I hope you found this video useful while shopping with us here at Appliances Online. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button to watch more product reviews just like this one.
Hi, I'm Mel from Appliances Online, and today we're looking at the SMS63M28AU dishwasher from Bosch. Now, with 14 place settings, this dishwasher is suitable for most family homes, and it's been designed to run more quietly than an average conversation. The dishwasher has a freestanding design with